Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Phonepe installed, your bank linked, and KYC completed if needed. Open Phonepe and tap the merchant or create QR option. Input the merchant name so payments display correctly. Next, choose fixed amount and type the exact value you want customers to pay. Make sure the UPI ID shown matches your account. Once done, select an expiry or validity period. Because fixed amount QR codes should expire to avoid misuse, proceed to generate the QR. Now focus on the middle steps where accuracy matters. After entering the fixed amount, add a concise purpose or invoice number to help reconcile payments later. This links transactions to orders. Then enable expiry or one-time use to limit payment attempts. Preview the generated QR thoroughly. Verify amount, merchant name, and UPI ID. Once the preview matches your intent, save the QR to gallery or share directly. Confirm that notifications and receipts are enabled, so you immediately receive payment confirmation, and finish by testing and monitoring. Scan the QR from another device to confirm it initiates a fixed amount collect flow and that amount is correct. Make sure you get instant notifications and that settlements map to the right bank account. If anything goes wrong, first check network, app permissions, and whether the UPI ID shown is correct. Then regenerate a new QR if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if payments fail repeatedly, clear app cache, update Phonepe, and relink the bank to refresh UPI tokens before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.